Hey, David. Okay, so Jennifer said she's going to add you to my I-05 section. So once you go into Blackboard and you go into my course, you can go right here on the left to weekly assignments. And then you will scroll down because all of the weeks are already available. And you're going to be looking at week 13 and week 14. Those are the 2 weeks for access. So you'll just click on week 13. Mine shows the instructor view, so I have to save and continue to proceed. Scroll down, and then you will see the Access 1 training, and you click on it, and it will launch the Cengage for you. It might prompt you to log in since it's the first time you're accessing it in a while. If it does, just use your JCC email to get in. And then here's the training. I don't know if it's the same as when you did it, but you can launch all. You'll see the taskbar on the left-hand side at the top. It'll tell you how many tasks there are. For this one, there's 35. If you click on it, you can scroll down and see the tasks. So what you could do is you can observe them showing you.
Explore templates. Need to start access. The quickest way to do this is to click the Windows.
Or you could practice. Observe, she's just going to talk the whole time and tell you what to do. If you go to practice, she'll talk for a second and then she'll ask you to do something and then you'll do it and so on and so forth. And then you could practice if you want so this is the practice. I'll show you.
To create a database, explore templates.
If you want her to stop talking and to move along quicker, if you click on the dialog box, she'll hurry along. So obviously some things will be super simple and you don't have to do them. So you can click on the taskbar and look through and see which ones, and you might skip a couple. And then you would go to apply if you wanted to practice, and it would tell you to start access. And then you could just exit out of that once you're done. And then to access the next one, you can go into weekly assignments again and then click on week 14. And you will see the same thing. It'll say access training, but it'll be number 2 instead of access training 1. It's right there. Okay? Let me know if you need any further help than that. Sorry if I was talking too quickly. See you soon.